Hi, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Thousand Island dressing recipe. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload. So in your bowl, you're going to add half a cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. So this is a super simple recipe. You just dump everything in the bowl and then mix it. Then you're gonna add a tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of grated onion. You could probably substitute onion powder for this grated onion. I think that would probably be just fine. You'd probably want to do about a teaspoon of powdered onion if you were gonna do that. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish. And then you're going to add a pinch of salt and some pepper. And you want to do just a little bit so that once you get done mixing it, then you can taste it and decide if you need to add more. And then you just mix it up. And you want to mix it up really well. And the secret with making salad dressings like this by hand is you want to make them ahead of time, at least a couple hours, because most salad dressings have sugar and powdered seasonings and stuff in them. You just want to give them time for those to fully dissolve into the mixture. But that is it. It's really simple to make Thousand Island dressing at home. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.